Good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome you all in GK online class. Children, today we are going to do from page number 55 onwards. So everyone get ready with your book and pencil in your hand. Okay, so let's start today's class. I'm going to show you the PDF. So children, you can see on your screen there is a page. How observant are you? It is on page number 55. Okay. So take out your page number 55. Here it is given how observant are you. Here we have given two pictures and we have to mark the difference in both the pictures. दोनों pictures में जो भी difference हमको दिखेगा we have to circle it. So all of you get ready with your pencil colors. Okay, and wherever you find a difference you have to make a circle in both the pictures. जो भी आपको अलग दिखेगा you have to mark it with a circle in the picture. Okay, like what is given, how closely can you look, find 10 differences between the two pictures. So we have to sort out 10 differences. We have to find 10 differences in the both the pictures. Okay, whatever thing we find different we have to circle it. Like for example, in the first picture you can see this is a curtain, right? Now in this curtain there is a pattern on this curtain, whereas on the other hand side you will see there is a curtain on the in another picture and there is no pattern on that curtain. So you will draw a circle on the pattern of the curtain with the help of color pencil. Then in the next picture children you can see there is a sun out through the window. Yes, there is a rising sun which we can see from the window, whereas in the next picture you cannot find any of the sun, right? There is a sun which you can see from this window, whereas in the another picture there is no sun seen, right? So there is again a remarkable difference. So you have to circle it with the help of pencil. Now children, when we proceed this side, here you can see this boy, he is eating, enjoying an ice cream which is having a black spot on it, whereas in the another picture, in the second picture of yours, there is no such difference on the ice cream, right? So the pattern on the ice cream is different. So take a color pencil and just draw a circle on it. Okay, now I hope you all have marked these three differences. Now children, let's observe the picture carefully and find a few more differences. You have to make out 10 differences in both the pictures. Okay, so we have managed to get 3 of the differences. Now children, let's see the fourth one. Now here on the table you can see there is an apple lying on the table in the first picture, whereas on the other hand side you will see there is no such apple lying on the table. So this is again a difference in both the pictures. So you have to circle this apple. Okay, and beside this apple here you can see there are two mangoes lying on the table, right? In the first picture there are two apples on the there are two mangoes on the table, whereas in the next picture you can see only one mango lying there. So again it's a remarkable difference. So you have to circle this mango and this apple. Okay, now when you move towards the glasses, when you will observe the glasses, the color of juices are different, right? Here it is orange and red in the first picture, whereas in the other picture you will see the color of juices are different. They are yellow and green. Okay, so there is a difference in the color of juice also. So you have to make a circle over the glass. Okay, so whichever color pencil you are having, you all are having different color pencils, right? So make use of those different color pencils for circling around the objects which are different in both the पिक्चर्स. जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स दोनों पिक्चर्स में डिफरेंट है आपको उसको सर्कल करना है. ओके, नाउ let's see the next difference. Now when you will see this painting, now everyone can see the painting on the page, right? There are two paintings in first picture and in the second picture there are two painting children on the wall you can see. Now, in the first painting, you will observe there are two crows in the picture, whereas in the other picture, there are no such crows flying, right? There are no such crows flying. So, this is one of the difference. So, we have to circle it with the help of color pencil. Then, when we see this picture again, there again we can find one of the differences. There is a black cloud in the picture, whereas in the other picture there is no such cloud found. So this is again one more major difference in both the picture. Okay, so you have to draw a circle around it. Okay, so these are some of the differences which we have found out in both the pictures. So there are 10 differences. We have marked 8 of them and 2 more differences are there. Okay, so let's find out 2 more differences. What are the 2 more differences? Here in the girl's collar you can see the pattern is different, whereas in this picture the girl's collar is different. So this is again one of the difference that you can mark. Okay, so these are few differences which we have find in both the pictures. Okay. Now the color of water is also different in both the pictures. So you can, this is again one of the difference between these two pictures. So you can mark it again. So this completes your page number 55. And children, do you know our brain is working even while we are sleeping. So these are some sorts of mind games or brain games that we are doing right now. So when we talk about our brain, so people think that when we are sleeping, our brain also sleeps with us. So it's not a fact. The actual thing is when we are sleeping also, at that time also our brain is working continuously. Okay, so our brain does not sleeps along with us. Okay, now let's see the next page. Now we come on to page number 56. Okay, so all of you get ready with your page number 56. Open page number 56 and your pass take out. Okay, now here the page that is before us is timeline. Here we will discuss about the time. Okay, now let us see how well you know the 12 months of the calendar. Now in a year there are how many months? There are 12 months. Okay, कितने months होते हैं? There are 12 months in 1 year. Now what are the name of those months? Come on, tell with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the 12 months of 1 year. Now children, do you know in 1 week how many days are there? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, so how many months are there in a year? There are 7 days, there are 12 months in a year. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now, children, let's start the page 56. Okay. Now, let's see what are the questions that are being asked. Now, here you can see this caterpillar and there are the name of the months written in the chart. Now, here it is said how many months in a year have 31 days. So, what there are 12 months in a year. अब उन 12 months में कितने months ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें 31 days होते हैं. So children, you will find the difference. जो भी dark green color से ना, let's see, January is having 31 days. You can count on your wrist also. Here you will find this is January. The lifted portion January, it is having 31 days. Then this is February. The middle part February. Okay, it is not a lifted part. It is inside. So inside is 30 days. So January, February is having 28 or 29 days. March is having 31 days. April, January, February, March, April, May again 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4. August 5. Yes, August is having 31 days. Then September is having 30 days. October 31 days, November, December. So January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many months are having 31 days in them? 7 months are there जिनमें 31 days होते हैं. Now how many months in a year that are having only 30 days? 30 days कौन से months में होते हैं? See, February is having 29 or 28 or 29 days. Then after March came April. So April is having 30 days. Then June is having 30 days. After that September is having 30 days. And then November is having 30 days. So only 4 months that are having 30 days. Now which two consecutive months have 31 days? कौन से 2 months है जो आगे पीछे आते हैं एंड उनमें 31 डेज होते हैं? सो इट इज जुलाई एंड अगस्त. व्हेन यू विल काउंट फ्रॉम हियर यू विल सी इट इज जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई. जुलाई भी ऊपर आया और अगस्त भी ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है. तो दोनों ही मंथ्स में कितने डेज होते हैं? 31 डेज. तो दीज आर टू कंसेक्यूटिव वन आफ्टर वन मंथ्स जिसमें कितने डेज होते हैं? 31 days. Okay. Now, which month has 28 days but in a leap year it has 29 days? किस month में सिर्फ 28 days होते हैं? But if we talk about a leap year which comes after every 4 years, हर 4 साल बाद जो leap year आता है, it increase 1 day and the February becomes of 29 days. Generally February is of 28 days, but when there is a leap year जो कि 4 साल बाद आता है, तो February कितने days की हो जाती है? 29 days की. So which month जिसमें leap year आता है? It is February. Okay. So February is the month in which there is a leap year that arrives after every 4 years. Now which month comes between August and October? अगस्त और अक्टूबर के बीच में कौन सा मंथ आता है? लेट्स सी फ्रॉम द चार्ट. अगस्त एंड अक्टूबर, इनके बीच में कौन सा मंथ आता है? सितंबर. ओके. नाउ व्हिच मंथ कम्स बिफोर जून और जुलाई? जून और जुलाई कौन सा पहला मंथ आता है? जून पहले आता है कि जुलाई? लेट्स सी. Here you can see this is June and this is July. So which month that comes first? So June. June is the month that comes first. Now which is the 7th month in the calendar? It is July, which is the 7th month in the calendar. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So July is the 7th month in the calendar. Names of which month starts with letter A? So it is, let's see, the name of which month starts with letter A. It is April and August. These are the 2 months who begins with letter A. Okay. So April and August are the 2 months which begin with letter A. So children, you have completed it. Let's see how many months in a year have 31 days? 7 months. They are having 31 days. How many months in a year have 30 days? So 4 months are having 30 days. Which two consecutive months have 31 days? July and August are having 31 days. Which month has 28 days but in a leap year it has 29 days is February. Which month comes between August and October? September. Which month comes before June or July? So June. Which is the 7th month in the calendar? July is the 7th month in the calendar. Name of which month starts with letter A? April and August. Okay. Now, a leap year, children, do you know? A leap year comes after every 4 years and has 366 days. Normally, there are 365 days in a year. But जब भी leap year होता है, after every 4 years, एक leap year होता है. In that leap year, what happens? The days in February month increases from 28 to 29. Okay. And total days also increases in a year. और जो पूरे साल भर के जो दिन होते हैं वो भी बढ़ जाते हैं एक दिन. And this 365 days it increases to 366 days. Right? So children, this completes your page number 56. Now we move ahead with page number 57. Here we will study about the awards and honors. Now, for doing some good work, we always get awards, right? We always get honored. So, here you have to fill in the blanks with using such words that are given in the help box. So, in the help box, you are given few words. You have to use them to fill the blanks. Okay. Now, the movie Dash is a biopic on the famous cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. So, which movie is a biopic based on the life of Sachin Tendulkar? Sachin A Billion Dreams. Okay, this is the movie on this famous cricketer Sachin तेंदुलकर. तो सचिन तेंदुलकर के ऊपर कौन सी मूवी बनी हुई है? इट्स अ सचिन अ बिलियन ड्रीम्स. नाउ सी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ बिलियन. इट इज BILLION, billion. Dreams, DREAMS, dreams. Okay, so Sachin A Billion Dreams, this is the movie which is based on Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, now children, let's see the next question. In the next question, it is given actress Dash won the PETA Person of the Year 2017 award for her efforts to protect animals, including her cruelty-free Nash clothing line. Now, children, which actress was given this award for protecting animals? It was Anushka Sharma. Here in the picture, you can see this is a picture of Anushka Sharma. Yes, so she is married to Virat Kohli, the cricket captain. Okay, captain of Indian cricket team. So this actress Anushka Sharma, she got awarded for PETA for her efforts to protect the animals. Okay. Now, children, let's see the third blank. Here you will see Dash Airport in Singapore has won the world's best airport award. So, which award was given the world's best airport award? It was given by Skytrax. Okay, for the sixth consecutive year. मतलब 6 सालों से ये अवार्ड कौन से एयरपोर्ट को मिल रहा है? इट इज गेटिंग Changi Airport in Singapore is getting this award for 6 consecutive years, being the world's best airport in the whole world. Okay, so if anyone asks which airport has won the world's best airport award, it is Changi Airport in Singapore. Now, Dash has been named as the world's most admired company for 2018. Which company has been given the world most admired award? It is Apple. Okay, it is Apple which has given this award, world's most admired company award. Okay, here in the picture you can see there is a picture of Apple. So this is one of the company which has been given world's most admired company. People admire the product of Apple a lot. You might have heard that Apple is producing also many kinds of iPhones, iPads, okay, and mobile phones. So people, laptops, PCs. So people are making use of this company's gadgets a lot. Okay, so it is one of the world's most admired company. Now, the fifth question here you will see the famous poet and story writer Rabindranath Tagore was the first Nobel Prize winner from India. This question is being asked many a times. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize award? So who was he? He was Rabindranath Tagore. He won this title of, he was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize award. Now when you are writing the spelling or when you are learning the spelling of Rabindranath, how you will learn, break the spelling, make it short, and then you can learn the spelling. How you will break the spelling? Now Rabindra, how it is written? Rabindra, Ra, R-A, Ra, B-I-N, Bin, Dra, D-R-A, Dra. Rabindra Nath, Nath, Nath. Tagore, Tagore. Tagore. It's Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now, children, this completes this page also. So your page number 60 is completed. So up to page number 60 we have done today. Children, do complete your work up to page number 60. Now I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Now children, this completes your today's class. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. So complete your work. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.